Making a welding cart using an old toolbox. For this toolbox welding cart, ended up using a whole bunch of parts that I had laying around. There's old shoe rack part that was used for holding the bottles. There was old pressure washer handle that was used because it had the little hooks and holes in it to store things. The old toolbox, it was laying around. It had some broken corners and stuff, so it's kind of welded that up and make it work again. Um, the wheel supports were from making a carport. They were left over. There's trailer hitch parts used that were bought on clearance for super cheap, and they were cut to made work. The only thing really purchased were just the wheels and, well, the new welder. But other than that, everything is recycled. The bottom frame that everything is sitting on was an industrial rack. There was an extra shelving unit that I cut that up and made that work. It's very heavy duty. It can support the weight of uh, two bottles, and later on gonna expand the top to hold a plasma cutter right next to the welder. It's extremely heavy duty, most likely overbuilt. You could stand on it, jump on it, with everything on it, and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't flex, doesn't bend, it doesn't tip. So I think it'll be good for what I need it to be used for.